This is Junk Dump back with the 1970 Oldsmobile 455, and we're going to be installing a flex plate. Here you can see that side is smooth. You see the side with the weights right here? This is the side you want facing your transmission, so when you mount it up, make sure you have that side facing out. And then there's nothing really tricky with the flex plate. You want to definitely put Loctite on the bolts, and it really only goes on in one way. The bolts aren't evenly distributed around that circle, so it really only goes on one way.